Go ahead, sign.
Feels great. I mean, it's been four years here, and it's been great. And I'm just ready to start my life and go run somewhere else.
What did it take to get to this level?
It took a lot of time. Just being a good person, I guess. I don't know.
All right. What are you looking forward to?
To get a degree for college.
It feels great. It feels great. It's a good honor. Like, not a lot of people get to go through this, so it's a real blessing.
What do you think it's going to take to get some playing time up there at Victor Valley?
It's going to take a lot of hard work, but our coaching staff this year helped me prepare for this season, so I'll be sure enough to work hard to get a spot over there.
What are you looking forward to?
Getting the education, coming back and getting back to the Valley.
It feels awesome. It's been a dream, lifelong dream.
What do you think you're going to have to do to get some playing time to be successful over there?
Well, just keep up the hard work and just do the right things.
Are you looking forward to anything? What are you looking forward to the most?
I'm looking forward to playing some football, competing up with the college level, and we're just having some fun. It feels amazing. It feels real relieving. I feel like there's no more pressure on me as much.
What are you looking forward to? You're going to be going over there to Sol Ross. I mean, you're going to go out there, compete. What are you looking forward to?
Oh, I'm looking forward to hopefully making an impact as a freshman. I mean, if I don't start, that's fine. But I really want to try my best to do what I can do, and just bring the best out of myself.
What are you going to remember about being a West Louis Wildcat?
Strength kills.
Strength. You hit the weights?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking forward to continuing to play softball. Like, I've been working hard at it since I was 5 years old, and that's all I wanted to do, play softball. But I'm glad, I'm finally getting the chance. I know it's going to be a lot of competition, but I'll just give it my all.
All right. How does it feel to finally sign? I know you've had plenty of opportunities to go.
Excited, emotional, I don't know whether to be happy, cry. I'm just really excited.
You ready to work hard to try to get some playing time?
Yes, a lot of playing time.
Well, it feels awesome. I mean, I've been waiting for this day since I was a little girl, and it's everything I could imagine. I feel so much support from my school, my coaches, and I'm very grateful for it.
What are you going to be doing over the summer to get better so you get some playing time?
I'm going to be training like crazy. I'm going to be working with different coaches to see what I can. I'm going to be training, lifting weights, anything I can do to get where I need to be.
What are you going to remember about West Local East?
Just the family, East Side, Strong Side. It's just a blessing. All this community and the spirit is what I'm going to remember most.